Hey guys, sorry about my hair. Just took a shower. Okay. Yeah, that should be good. This is slime part 4 because I just got this. And well, how to make slime part 4 this is. There are some other parts if y'all haven't seen them. So, I will tell y'all. I will not show how to make the slime. But I can tell you that there's other parts where it does show. So use this slime. Well, it looks like a little different because I used a different shampoo than the last time I made it. But this time I came out to try and put some food coloring in it. So food colorings. Such a dummy. I should have got this ready before I made the video. So, y'all should vote. Okay, what color should I do? Purple, blue, or pink? Well, since I can't decide which color to use, it's going to get to my containers and have that doing all food colors. Since I don't have other containers, then I don't know. But if we get half of it on here, I don't know. Maybe I can, maybe I can't, maybe. Okay. But it's it's a little itty bitty, so we're just going to have to vote. I said blue. And pivot. I just love them so much. I don't know what to pick. I just don't know what to pick. Just comment down below which one I should have tried. And then I'll see which most you have to vote. And if y'all vote blue, well, here we go. Because we're not going to try blue because look, it's already blue. So blue is off the list. Dun, dun, dun. So we're going to try purple and pink. Let's see, I will try my brother, I don't know, my dad would, my sister likes pink, I like purple. My mom likes white, so, yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to try purple. And if y'all like pink, then I'll make another pink one in another video. So let me just open this up. Let's see if the shampoo the toothpaste can resist a little food coloring. I'm going to put 4 drops in there. There we go. 4 drops of purple. Okay, so 4 drops of purple. Oh, wait, y'all can't see that, can't y'all? Whoops. Whoa, I spilled this whole slime on here. No, my slime is gone. No. Slime just spread everywhere. Oh. Mini slime. So, my slime is gone. It's just gone forever. Yes, it did work. Half of it is gone. Wow. I really nailed it this time. I really used your hand purple. But I really nailed this. Nailed it to fail. It's getting all over my floor. Oh, darn it. Sorry. I don't know if that's a bad word. I wish I didn't say the other word. So look. Wow, wow, wow. Now I have a purple floor. What is my mom gonna say? I don't know. But I'm gonna probably get in trouble. Because since we moved in here, this floor was not purple. So mom's totally gonna notice that. I just really nailed it. Failed. a total fail. Well, it's not exactly a fail, but yeah. So, did kind of work. My slime did the job. But it's also messed up. So, it's a fail. Big fat fail. So bad. Didn't even turn into slime. Well, yeah, it did, but oh, goodness. Let me go put some more soap in it. Maybe toothpaste. Probably wasting lots of supplies, but I guess worth a try. Yeah, I did kind of put some salt in there, but I'm gonna try to not put it in the refrigerator. See if it works. Love the shampoo. This new shampoo, you don't have to put it in the refrigerator. You can, and it gets even slimier, but I'm just lazy. Well, I'm not really lazy, but I just don't have time for that. Because I just don't have time for that. And right now, I'm taking a video with the tablet. Because I'm going to get the real YouTube camera, but not right now. So my videos will be better. Louder, and I will have to talk louder. Okay, so I don't know what to do now. Maybe pour it in here. I don't know. Should I? Oh, sorry guys. Didn't let y'all say nothing because I'm too excited. It's just oh, now I wasted some more slime. And barely pick this thing up, so do not drop it. Drop it, drop it. Don't drop it, drop it, drop it. Now it turned into soap. I got a whole purple. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Kind of like a liquid, but it's still splashed. It's more kind of like paint for me. Ooh, paint. You can use this as paint. We'll just put that right there. Just a piece of paper. Let's see what this thing can make with. I'm going to put some more food coloring in it. Maybe different. I'm going to try to put pink and see what it does. Pink food coloring, here it comes. My hands are all messy. I would probably say don't try this yet, because I think maybe this was a bad idea. Maybe it ruined my slime. Maybe I won't be able to make slime ever again. I made red. I don't know if it made red. It's just dummy. Whoa! Blood! I made blood. Whoa. Well guys, it really did make red. Nailed a big fat fail. But now that I'm thinking, maybe I can use this as this. Okay, Amy bleeding. You can barely see that red right there. Don't hold me or so. so sticky. Maybe I shouldn't have done this. Let me look at me now. Ugh. Kind of get pink on my skin. Ugh. Hot pink. Ugh. So, my slime is probably ruined. But who said the fun was ruined for Miss Barbie? Dun dun dun. Okay, so this is how it used to look. This is how it ended up looking. Just look at the difference. Maybe you can turn it back into purple. Let's try that. Then let's try blue after this. I think I did way too much drops. Whoa, what's happening? Oh, I thought it was in the cup. Okay, so I'm not sure what it did. I'm just gonna put it did. I can't believe it. I'm just spreading this out. It won't turn into purple. Kinda did, kinda did. So let's try a little bit blue. Can't open the blue one. Oh. Just can't open the blue one. Few drops. Oh, now that I'm thinking about this, I'm just using dark colors. Except for the pink. But it did kind of turn out kind of bad. That smells soapy. Oh, now I have a blue floor. Oh wait, I should test it out. Whoa, that's way too much. That's way too much. Time out! Time out! That's a big blue floor. I'm gonna get a very big trim. This is not slime. So after all of this, I would consider y'all to not do this to your slime. First of all, maybe it didn't work and it turned into a liquid because maybe I didn't put it in the refrigerator. So still, try this, but 1 drop. Because after all of this mess that I did, I wouldn't tell y'all to do this anymore. Not a lot of drops like I did. I did like 50 or 100, so yeah. Blue this. So maybe I can use this. So let's see what I can do. Maybe I can use this for some paint. Maybe I can make a little blue ball. A ball. Paper. Okay, so ta-da! I made a big mess. This is not my goal. I try to make colored stuff, but this was a big fat fail. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, which is of course you didn't, because the big soapy mess. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Love y'all so much. Bye. Bye. Because I can't do this after all. So bye bye. Do you guys see that? Bubble. So bye guys, love y'all so much. Mwah mwah mwah. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, which is y'all didn't again. And bye guys. Love y'all so much. Bye.